Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over the tap step called the crawl. So this is a fun one to do, especially when you can get faster at it. So it's a very simple step. So let's go through it here. So the crawl tends to start with a step. So say you wanted to start it on your right foot. You would start with a step on your right. From here, this one's going to go just straight parallel with your other foot. From here, you're going to turn your foot out, turn your leg, so technically turn your leg in, but start to swivel your foot out so that your heel can then go out and drop. Okay, so you're going to start with a step, swivel your leg in, your foot out to drop your heel. Then from here, you're going to rock back, put your weight onto your heel, and swivel your foot out to drop that toe, and then one more over with the heel to go straight again, parallel with the other foot. So you want to think about rocking between your toe and your heel, and then turning your foot out so that you start walking your foot out to the side, okay? So you're going to start with a step, swivel your foot here, turn and rock onto your heel, put your weight into your heel, turn your toe out, now rock onto your toe, and then lift your heel to turn onto that one, and do that one going straight. Yeah, then you would go over to your left side step, then heel over, toe over, and then heel to go straight. So you can do more than this. I tend to like to do about 4 in a row. I think that's 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. You can do more than that if you wanted to keep going. It just gets a little bit hard to continue with your weight on this foot over here as you keep going. I think 4 is a really good number to do. So again, you step, heel, toe, and heel. Again, step, heel, toe, heel. Again. And this is a really good way to get your ankles nice and loose and get them ready for more advanced steps. So say you wanted to do this faster. Yeah? You start working your way out until you can get faster at it. Yeah? Yeah? Okay? So it's hard to do, it's hard to get fast, but once you start working your way faster, up the tempo, there you go. Okay, once you start moving them faster, the movements then become smaller. So a lot of the thing that happens a lot in tap, when you start getting faster at a step, your movements become smaller in order to make that step faster. So instead of your shuffle, so here's an example, instead of your shuffle being very large and extended to speed it up, you're going to make it just a flick in the ankle. Yeah? So with these, instead of going very large, exaggerated steps, you start to make the movements smaller. Yeah? Other side. There you go, nicely done. You can tell my left side is a little bit more of my awkward side, so it's a little bit harder to get it faster on that side. So not only can you do it starting with a step, where you go step, heel, toe, heel, you can also do it starting with a dig. This one I don't see as often, but you would start with that dig. Now instead of dropping your heel, because your heel's already down, you're going to go over to your toe, drop that down, now heel again, and then this last one, this toe, you're going to want to make it go straight parallel with your other foot so that you can then put your weight on that foot and start on your left foot. So dig, toe, heel, toe, yeah? Dig, toe, heel, toe. And I don't know how well I can do these fast. There you go. Yeah, and left side. There we go. Nicely done. So You can either do a crawl with your one foot from the step or from the dig, or you can even do the crawl with both feet. So it's not really a crawl, I guess. I mean, it kind of is. You don't start with that one step. Your feet just go together. So you'd either do toes, heels, or you could even start with your heels, heels, toes. And this is fun to add into a dance wherever you just want to add a short little break between steps. Okay, you can also go to the left, toes, heels, or from the heels first. So when you do both feet together, you don't start from that step or that dig. You just go right into it, either toes or heels. Okay? All right, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday, and don't forget to turn on notifications so that you can know when I upload my videos. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions, or if you would like to see a certain step, a tutorial done on it, or if you want a certain song for my choreography videos. So let me know if you have any comments, suggestions, or questions. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.